How to erase all of the data on your laptop in Windows 11. So if you want to get rid of all of your data and start afresh, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So this can be really useful if you're selling your laptop and you just want to make it like new again. So all we need to do is go and open up the Start menu on your computer and then click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on System and then scroll down here and click on Recovery. Now where it says Reset this PC, click on Reset PC, and you'll have two options to either keep your files or to remove everything. Now because we want to erase all of our data, we're going to select Remove Everything. And then you'll have two options of how to reinstall Windows. Now the most common option here is just to select Cloud Download, but if for some reason Cloud Download doesn't work, you can always try the local reinstall as well. So I'm just going to choose Cloud Download, and as you can see, this will completely remove all of the files on your computer, and it will also reinstall Windows, so it will be like setting it up when you first purchased the laptop. So all you need to do is go through the steps by clicking Next, and that's how to reset your computer back to its original settings. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.